Hey, what's up, car lovers? Welcome back to Car Trend, the ultimate destination for everything classic, bold, and brutally powerful. Today, we're diving into a true legend that's been reborn with modern muscle, the 2026 Ford F100 4x4. Get ready to experience heritage, horsepower, and hardcore off-road style like never before. The Ford F100 is an icon that defined the golden era of American trucks. Back in the day, it stood tall with its raw durability, tough stance, and that unmistakable vintage charm. Fast forward to 2026, Ford has brought this beast back to life, but not just with a nostalgic nod, it's a total resurrection with cutting-edge upgrades while staying loyal to its rugged roots. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, it looks like a blast from the past, classic body lines, squared-off design, and bold vintage grille. But step closer, and you'll notice modern LED headlights with a retro twist, sleek matte color options, and 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires that mean serious business. The front bumper is reinforced, giving it that ready-for-anything off-road appeal. Under the hood, oh man, Ford didn't play around. You get a 5.0L V8 Coyote engine pushing out over 460 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. And yes, it's a full-time 4x4. Whether you're hitting mountain trails, cruising the coastline, or flexing at a weekend car show, this F100 delivers old-school spirit with modern-day muscle. Step inside and you're welcomed with a perfect blend of retro and tech. Think classic bench seats with updated leather stitching, a digital dashboard styled like vintage gauges, and an infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Ford Sync 5. You've even got climate control and rear-view cameras, because hey, vintage cool doesn't mean sacrificing convenience. Ford's engineers have also tuned the suspension for both trail and tarmac. Whether you're climbing rocks or cruising highways, the ride quality is surprisingly refined. The updated Fox shocks and lifted suspension give it unbeatable articulation and ground clearance. Combine that with advanced traction control and off-road drive modes, and you're ready to conquer any terrain. But what really sets the 2026 Ford F100 4x4 apart is the attention to heritage. You'll find old-school Ford badges, wood grain interior accents, and even a tribute plate commemorating the original F100 lineage. It's more than a truck, it's a piece of American history brought back with bold engineering. So who is this beast for? Honestly, everyone. Whether you're a classic truck enthusiast, an off-road adventurer, or someone who just appreciates muscle and legacy in one package, the F100 4x4 is ready to deliver. And here's the kicker, Ford has hinted that production may be limited. That means if you want one, you better keep your eyes on the release date and act fast. Alright, that's all for today's deep dive on the Ford F100 4x4 2026. This truck is a perfect storm of nostalgia and performance, and Ford absolutely nailed it. If you loved this review, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Car Trend, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the next legendary ride. Drop a comment below and tell us, would you daily drive the F100 2026? Or would you keep it as a weekend warrior? Either way, we want to hear from you. Until next time, stay classic, stay powerful. This is Car Trend, signing out.